Hi and welcome to Crypto Discover channel. In today's video we are going to talk about how to make profits during a bear market. First, let's define what a bear market is. A bear market is a prolonged period of declining prices in a particular asset, sector or market. Typically, a bear market is associated with a high level of market uncertainty and investor fear. Investors may feel like they need to sell their assets in order to avoid further losses. However, there are still opportunities to make profits during a bear market. Here are a few strategies to consider. Short selling. Short selling is a strategy that involves selling an asset in anticipation of a price decline. If the price of an asset does decline, the short seller will be able to buy it back at a lower price and profit from the difference. Buying puts. A put is a type of options contract that gives the holder the right, but not the obligation, to sell an asset at a specific price between a certain time period. If the price of the asset falls below the strike price before the expiration date, the put holder will profit from the difference. 3. Selling call options. A call option is a type of options contract that gives the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy an asset at a specific price between a certain time period. If the price of the asset rises above the strike price before the expiration date, the call holder will profit from the difference. 4. Investing in inverse ETFs. An inverse ETF is a type of exchange-traded fund that aims to profit from a decline in the price of the underlying asset. Inverse ETFs are designed to provide the opposite return of the underlying asset. For example, if the price of gold falls by 1%, an inverse ETF that tracks gold will rise by 1%. 5. Buying assets at a discount. In a bear market, some assets might be sold at a discount due to the market's conditions. This presents an opportunity to buy assets that are undervalued and may be worth more in the future. 6. Investing in companies with strong fundamentals. Even in a bear market, there are still companies with strong fundamentals that are worth investigating in. These companies have a solid track record, a strong management, and a good growth potential. 7. Holding cash. In a bear market, holding cash is a strategy that can help you avoid losses. By holding cash, you will have the flexibility to buy assets when they are sold at a discount. 8. Reviewing your portfolio. A bear market is a good time to review your portfolio and make sure that it's well diversified. This will help you avoid potential losses in case the market conditions worsen. Creating a wish list. A bear market is also a good time to create a wish list of assets that you would like to buy. By creating a wish list, you can take advantage of the lower prices and buy assets when they are undervalued. 10. Patiently waiting for the market to recover. Finally, the best strategy during a bear market may be to simply wait patiently for the market to recover. Bear markets typically don't last forever, and eventually the prices of assets will start to rise again. By following this strategy, you can still make profits during a bear market. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.